Stadium in Kumasi. It's match day 20 of the Asante Kotoko. Welcome Bibiani Gold Stars this evening in a fixture. The Porcupines will be aiming to complete a double over Gold Stars, whom they beat 1-0 in the first Dakwa jersey, together with Astrim Sichofe Philip, where your commentators for Aduntra signals the two teams into action. Sends it cross in. It's headed away by Kwekubia. Great drive. Kusi Etuga. Buedu finds Lamte. Now here is Imore Ibrahim. He sends a cross, but it's straight to the goalkeeper who gets it away. And Ferge will say thank you to goalkeeper Enes Kusi. Here is Etuga up against Enu. Enu falls down. Etuga sets up Infege, and Infege gets his second in magnificent fashion. Two George Infege goals for Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, those stars will be disappointed that they gave away the goals they gave away.
Now Lamte goes down, free kick is taken quickly. Kotoko have their third goal. Ejapon took a drive and it took a wicked deflection.
I think that should be that. Yeah. I'm not sure the goalkeeper is going to be in trouble from the effort. I want to take the deflection and it's already committed to one side.
It is Lamte now. It's a penalty. Enu handles the ball. He steps up for the penalty. Here comes Etuga. And Etuga scores, no mistake.
Committed it.
Samuel Boateng. Brilliant free goal for Asante Kotoko. This is awesome.
But all he's done is to move out of the box to present him a clear opening in behind him. And once Boateng sees that opening,
5 goals from